Welcome back. Let's clean, okay, and do a little cooking and haul, of course.
Look, watch
Welcome on
this.
in.
Look, bam. This. Yeah. It's a little crispy, but I know it's gonna be good.
All right, beautiful people, welcome back. So I have some russet potatoes. Oh my goodness, they were 2 for $4. So you got 2 bags for $4. Haven't seen that out in the grocery store in a while. So picked up the paper towels. They were only $2.99, and this sale, I guess, is still going on. Okay, so end up picking up the pies. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it again. And Marie Callender's. Okay, and I finally got the flavor that I wanted, which was the pecan, and we're gonna give this banana pie. Okay, this is the banana cream, so we're gonna give that a try. So yeah, shout out. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. And we end up picking up the thrifty ice cream and some cookie dough. This cookie dough was $7.98. Now I know Smart Final, sometimes they have the big tubs by Pillsbury dough for like $13, but this is just fine. It will do. Okay, just to give it some, sweet treats for the holidays, and some Minute Maid juice, okay, and some cooking oil, and I did pick up some soap. Okay, it must be time to go ahead and grab that cookie dough from the top shelf in the refrigerator, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm here, I got the cookie dough, and I'm just gonna place them on individual pans, and I'm gonna just bake them for about 12-13 minutes and let them rest and sit, and yeah, all of that. So it won't be Santa getting the cookies, it will be the family eating up the cookies, and that's just what it is. come bust these suds with me. Let's wash dishes, okay? After everything is all done, we want to just go ahead and wash all the dishes up. And that's what I'm going to be doing single handedly, all by myself. And yeah, I'm going to grab me some dish liquid soap and just give everything a nice scrubbing and rubbing and rinsing and tidy everything back up. That's just what I do in my kitchen, okay? Just keeping everything tidy and clean as possible because, that's just what I want to do and that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, so I'm going to use whatever dish liquid that's there. Of course, I'm going to put in my bleach and water ratio, okay? I just like to use bleach with mine, okay? Just making sure everything is nice and sanitized and clean. So I like to use all hot water and my dish water. I like everything to be hot. And I like to add baking soda powder too in as well, just to make sure that everything is clean and shiny.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Will you look at there now? That's gravy. You can't turn that into gravy and add some onions in there. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm not gonna make any gravy for my fish. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab the paper towels that we have, that I served out when I served, and I'm just gonna use that to get all of that oil out of there. That's just a tip. So your dishwater won't be as soapy and it won't be hard to clean all of that oil from out of the pot, the pan, or whatever you use to fry up your meat. All right, the sink is all nice and clean. The dish rack is clean. Dishes put away, and we are the Santas. We're gonna eat these cookies, and everything is all done. Happy holidays, everyone. Merry Christmas to you. I hope your holidays have been going well.